Public works in Huntsville includes water, wastewater, street, fleet. We have our own lab and solid waste. So we have a great team here and really enjoy working here. I'm Brent Sherrod, Public Works Director for the City of Huntsville, Texas. We were first introduced to the NeoFlow valve late 2019, December I believe. Put it in service then. It's worked well for us. I think probably the things that drew us to the Neo valve, the simplicity and the size, the weight of the device, the concept that we could do it with one valve instead of two, with a bypass situation. So all of those things put us in a situation we were in need of a valve or a PRV, and decided to make the change to a new product that we tried out and have worked well for us. The lighter weight and the size of it made it quite easy to retrofit into the existing boxes that we had, or the vaults. The existing valves that we're using were barely fit through the opening at the top, so we actually had to turn it on in and kind of squeak it out of there, barely getting it out. So it was much easier to go in. It can be used by one hand, two hands handled, whereas the previous valves we were using were a couple of 100 pounds. The size of it and the weight of it have been a huge advantage for putting it in existing installations. Also, in new installations, those vaults won't have to be near as large. At the time when we started with this, we had quite a few PRVs in service. We've since taken several of those out with some pressure plane changes, but they're still working really well for us, and we look for a long history with NeoValve.